Today, let me quickly show you how to fix your Instagram story camera not working. So for whatever reason, if your camera on Instagram stories is not working and the screen has gone completely black, in today's video, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that Instagram has access to your phone camera. To make sure that, we need to head over to Instagram settings. So tap and hold the app of Instagram and then head over to app info. From this settings page, if you scroll down, you'll see the option called app permission. And just like this, if the camera option is not set to allowed, make sure you hit that allow option and then refresh your Instagram app and you should be able to fix this issue. Now, if this is not the issue with you, the second thing that you can try out is try to restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can easily solve this issue, so just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then just reboot it. The third thing that you can also try out is try to clear the cache of Instagram. So again, tap and hold the app of Instagram and head back to app info. Inside of this page, you'll see the option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on clear all data. This will log you out of your Instagram account, so you'll need to log in back. Apart from this, what you can also check is for any new updates available. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device. Search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates, make sure you tap on the update button. And once you've done all of these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram story not working error. I do hope this guide video helped you out. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.